can I just say something about herbal medicine? One thing we find with breast cancers in Fiji, women tend to go for herbal medicine. They can be in the hospital and then they will opt to go home. They will sign their discharge and want to go home. And when they go home, they use herbal medicine. They use traditional healers. And then when it doesn't help, then they come back to the hospital. When they come back, the breast looks like a breadfruit that you tabu on the fire, you know, breadfruit that is cooked on open fire, because it's all pus and swollen and it's a big round ball that is just too painful. So people do go for herbal medicine, and sometimes that is also the drawback that one of the challenges that we have is when people feel when women they see the signs of breast cancer, they go for herbal treatment. They go for traditional healers. Because for cancer, once it's diagnosed, the cancer cells, when they start when they start multiplying, when they start multiplying and growing inside the tissue, they will never stop. Because cancer does not sleep. We say cancer does not sleep. Cancer does not respect anyone. Cancer does not respect who the person is, whether it's a chief or a pastor or the prime minister or a person in the street. When the cancer cell starts working and starts developing, it's going to continue. So when they opt to go home and not listen to the doctor's treatment or the doctor's advice, that's when it gets worse.
Let's talk about herbal medicine, because you were in that situation. Definitely you feel vulnerable as well. You have this fear on what's happening. You shared earlier that a lot of women do not understand their body well when things start changing. So is fear also a cause of trying to find a solution and turning to something which may make things worse?
It's the fear of death. Yeah?
Yes.
The fear that when you're diagnosed with cancer, it's like a death sentence.
Yes.
When we talk to the women in the community, as soon as you say, what they share with us is, when somebody is told that they have cancer, people will think, oh, that person is going to die. The next thing they think of, oh, that person is being cursed. Yes. It's the beliefs, eh? That person did something wrong. That's why she's been punished to get cancer. So the fear of all those makes the person not to come forward and try and look for other things. With cancer, you won't really notice it because there will be no pain. And when pain starts, it's too late.
Did you go through that, people also saying that this is a curse and other things?
Yes, even we hiding, myself and my husband, because we were thinking of that. The wife, my husband is a Fijian, so my husband don't want the family knows that I'm sick in that situation. So he also hide. We go to this marama, we go to this marama, but he can't hide it anymore. He start calling back his family. So they say, go to, but nothing start. Like I'm late, little bit, I may say I'm late, but the result of going to hospital, if I went to hospital earlier, I think I can do more better. But I went late, but it's not the end of it. I still moving. I still doing things in my hand. I'm still good. Like without one breast, I'm doing things which are marama now, which are women's now having both breasts. I'm still doing better than them.